हरिः ओम् अपर्णा जी।
Hari Om Anusha, how are you?
Fine amma.
Hari Om. Shall we start? Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Veeryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Would one of you like to do the opening prayers? Pathami Sanskritam Nityam.
I mean, you can do Maji.
I can do it.
Yes, thank you.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.
Thank you, Prabha. So we are doing the Sanskrit Banao second section of Abhyasa 41. So the first one is, first sentence is Dahi Madhur hai.
Madhur.
Yeah, you want to do that one, Anusha?
Yes amma.
Yeah.
Dadhi maduram bhavati.
Asti, I think.
Madhuram asti.
Unnati.
Dadhi Madhuram Asti.
Okay. Second one, Dahi Lao. Dahi se ghee utpanna hota hai. Aparna, you want to do that?
Sure. Dadhi Anaya Dadnaha Gritam Bhavati.
Yes. Third one.
It can also be dadnaha ghritam utpannam bhavati. From dahi ghee, because utpanna they have written, that's the reason I was thinking.
Right. Yeah. Actually, in the second Udaharana Vakya, it says Dadnaha Ghritam Bhavati. So I think both are correct.
Okay.
I think in my PDF, right, it is written Dadhi se ghee hota hai.
Oh, you don't have Utpanna.
I didn't have it otherwise, yeah.
I see. Okay. Third one, Aankh se dekho.
So Akshini Pashya.
Is it Akshini? Isn't it Tritiya?
Tritiya, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's Tritiya.
Akshana Pashya.
Okay.
Akshna Pashya.
Yeah.
Okay. Fourth one, आँख में अश्रु है. Shivananji, would you like to do that?
आँख में अश्रु है. अक्षौ Ashru, for that, what will say?
Ashru only.
Ashru, yeah. Ashru, Sanskrit.
Ashru only, I thought.
Okay. Akshau, Ashru, Asti.
So I'm getting Akshi as Ikaranta Napunsakalinga. And with that, the Saptami becomes Akshni. Akshni or Akshani.
Right.
Akshini, Akshina is, I don't, yeah, I'll check one thing.
Yeah, so if it is Napunsakalinga, which is what? Adhyaya is saying, then it would be Saptami is Akshni or Akshani. So you said Akshni Ashruhu Asti. Is
Aksha.
that it?
Aksha we told, no?
No. I'm saying that the remaining part of the sentence is Ashru Asti is what you said, right?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. All right. All right.
One question I had, Umaji. Here, Ashru, we can take it as like Ekavachanam, or we can take it as Bahuvachanam also, right? Because Jal is, or it should be singular only.
I don't know. It's a good question.
So, yeah.
Here it seems to be saying there is tear in the eyes, right?
Mm.
Or in the eye.
Main
Then-
Jal, but
then
like
singular-
Jal, see, it is Nitya Bahuvachanam Shabda. That is why I was questioning. But yeah,
No, the jal
one
is
drop is right.
in the book that the other book, it says Ashru, not Jal.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Oh, in your exercise it says Jal. Okay.
In Aparna's, it seems that's what she's saying.
Oh, I see. We have Ashru. Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
so you have, yeah, in my book it is Jal. That's right. Okay.
Uh-huh. Okay. And Ashru is also Ukaranta Napunsaka Linga, and
Yeah,
Ekvachanam will be Ashru.
Ashru. Yeah. Ashruni Santi I've written, and then Ashru Asti also. I've written. So,
Mm. Okay. So next one is my turn. Vaha aankh se kaana hai. Oh, so that means, oh, I thought Kana was deaf, but it looks like it's blind. He's one-eyed, right? So,
Yes.
Yeah.
So the word for that was, it was in the previous previous exercise.
I think Kanaha Asti is
Kana.
also fine.
Kanaha, Badiraha. Yeah, I remember now. That comes in Adhyas Bhashya. So, Akshna Kanaha Asti. Is that correct?
Saha Akshana
Yeah.
Kana
Saha,
Akshana Kanaha Asti.
correct. Saha Akshna Kanaha Asti. Right. Okay. Next one is Upendraji, Haddi par Mas.
हड्डी पर मांस और त्वचा है। अस्तिनी मांसम त्वचा च स्तः।
It says Asthishu in the fourth example. Udaharan Vakya says Asthishu Tvag.
Because many हड्डी पर हड्डियों पर, if it is हड्डियों पर, we can do like that. I thought
Understood.
हड्डी माने एकवचन, I thought like that.
Asthini. Okay. All right.
Is it Asthini or Asthina?
अस्तिनी.
Asthini. Okay.
No, I'm seeing Asthani. There's no Asthi, Asthin, and I'm seeing Asthani or Asthin. Asthin. I don't know how to say. Yeah, Asthina.
Can one of you please share the screen?
Yeah.
So that
I can share the screen right now. Mhm. So it says as. Now, how do you pronounce this part? It's a full na, a half sa, and a half th. So asthni.
Ast-
I think that's what you are trying to say. Asthni.
Second one is better. We'll go with the second one.
Yeah, asthani or asthni. Okay, that is the ekavachan. Okay, learn something today. Good. All right. Next one is iski. Now haddiyon is coming.
कस्य अस्तिषु बलम् अस्ति
Shaktim also is there. Shakti asti or Shaktim asti. Balam Shakti.
Shaktihi asti. Right?
Is it Eka? Is it Prathama or it'll all be Prathama? Is it? Okay. Gatravachi.
Asya. Anusha, can you please repeat the sentence, ma?
तस्य अस्थिषु बलम् अस्ति అన్నాను శక్తిः अस्ति అన్నారు శక్తిम् अस्ति అని శక్తిः अस्ति
అది నాకు కూడా తెలియలేదు ఇప్పుడు ఉమా అమ్మ చెప్తారు.
So we used Prathama for all the karma padas, right? For all other sentences, we use Prathama. I think yesterday also we used Prathama. So
okay.
So asya astishu shaktihi asti. Is that the right one, Umaji?
Yeah, because we did Ashruhu asti. So
Right.
Shaktihi asti. Okay.
Etasya, because iski, not uski.
For me, it is uski here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So iski is etasya and uski is asya.
Tasya.
Tasya, sorry. All right. Next one, Aparna. Nadi mein.
Nadyam matsyaha kachapaha makarascha santi. Oh, somebody, where? What happened?
No,
No,
share
Matsya.
screen went away, that's all.
Oh,
Matsyaha and
kachapaha
Kachapa.
makarascha santi.
Makarascha, correct.
Okay.
Next is Prabha.
नदी के तट पर रेत और कीचड़ है. We had a similar sentence yesterday. Reth part. Anyway, Nadyam Tire. What's the word for Reth?
Saikatam.
Sikta. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, sikata.
Sikata. Sikata. Then teacher was the Padma, the lotus one, right? Panka. Panka cha asti, pankah cha asti. Cha.
Staha.
Staha.
Right, staha.
Trivachanam.
I think it is Saikatam, no, ma? Not C, it is Sai. As it is in the word list, it is Saikatam. Retila Kinara.
Nadi ka, correct. Nadi ka retila kinara is Saikatam. So we have to say Saikatam asti or Saikatam
Pankaha.
Pankaha staha. All right.
Oh, not santi staha. Okay.
Prabha, you want to repeat?
Saikatam. Okay. Then I don't have to say Tire, right?
Yes, yes.
Nadyam.
You don't have to say Nadi. You don't have to say Nadi also. Right? Because
Okay. Oh, Saikatam. Panka cha staha doesn't make sense, right?
Pankaha cha staha.
Pankaha cha staha. Okay.
Ma, when Nadi ke, it has also to be translated, no, ma? Nadi ke.
No, it's saying Saikatam means Nadi ka retila kinara. So the whole thing is implied in that Saikatam.
So because in that case, well, okay. Cha bhavat.
Okay.
Okay, we'll verify with Naji. Next one is Shivananji.
दीवार तालाब में जाल डालकर मछलियां पकड़ता है। दीवारः दीवारः ताडागे ताडागे जालं प्रक्षिप्य मत्स्यं आददाति।
मत्स्यान् मत्स्यान् आदाते
No, adadati, I think that is right. Matsyan only.
मत्स्याम्, okay.
Bahuvachanam, Vivachanam. Dvitiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam.
So धीवरः तडागे जालं प्रक्षिप्य मत्स्याम् आददाति. Is that what he said?
This. Yes, matsyam, I told matsyam should be.
Okay, next one is गंगा की तरंगे सुंदर है. गंगायाः taranga is taranga only, right?
Tarangaha
Tarangaha sundaram asti.
Sundaraha.
Oh, okay. I thought sundar was avyaya pada. Am I wrong?
Maybe we'll have to check that.
I thought that's what Purnaji said.
Okay. So then it is Sundaram something.
Sundaram asti. Okay. Yeah, let's go with sundaram asti and correct it. Next one is कुएं में मेंढक रहते हैं. Anusha or sorry उपेंद्र जी, is it?
नमस्ते अम्मा. कुएं में मेंढक रहते हैं. कुएं में कूपे दरदराः वसन्ति.
Is it
कूपे
दर्दुरः
ओके. इस मेंढक के लिए कुछ नया शब्द आया आज कल.
दर्दुरः in the शब्दकोश says
दर्दुराः. कूपे दर्दुराः वसन्ति. बहुवचनम.
Okay.
दर्दुराः.
Okay. Anusha जल
की बूंदे गिर रही हैं. जलस्य बिन्दः पतन्ति.
Bindavah.
बिन्दवः.
I don't know. Bendaji, is it?
उकारान्तनाम बिन्दवः. गुरुः
बिन्दवः.
बिन्दवः.
Yes, that's right. But so jalasya bindavaha patanti, right? Is that?
Yes. Aparna ji, next Navik Nauka.
Navikah naukaya nadim taran asti.
So taran is shatra, you're using.
Yeah, that's.
Naukayaha, right? Oh no, naukaya.
Naukaya.
Naukaya. Nadim Taranasti. Okay. Next one is Prabha.
नदी के रेतीले मी and the रेतीले. Okay. नदी के रेतीले भाग में.
How about you do the next one? We'll exchange.
No, I'll do this. It's okay.
Okay.
नदी के रेतीले भाग में छात्र खेल रहे हैं. So साइकते छात्रः खेल रहे हैं. Sorry, छात्राः क्रीडन्ति. Is that okay?
Yes.
I just wrote Nadyaha Saikate, so may not be needed. Nadyaha. That's all.
Nadyaha is needed, Amma. I think it's needed.
Okay.
Because it was given like that for our understanding that actually Saikatam means sand only.
And yes, yeah, I agree.
For
It is
a detailed understanding, it might have been given that it is Nadika Retila.
Like that location as though was
Yeah,
indicated,
yeah.
right? Okay,
Example.
So Nadyam Saikate Chhatraha Kridanti.
Yes.
Then
that's
the number 6 or number 9 also needs to be changed.
Nadya.
Yeah.
Yes. Nadya.
That will also be Nadyam Tire, if we want to say, right? Nadyam Tire Saikatam.
So what vibhakti is
Yeah.
Nadya? Sorry.
Nadyam is Nadyam is Saptami. But
Saptami
here it won't be Saptami, right?
Yeah.
It's Shashti, Nadyaha.
So
Nadyaha.
that
Will be okay, Amma.
Nadyaha Saikate, right?
Nadyaha Tire.
Chhatraha Kridanti.
No, I said because Tat is there, so I said Tire.
Okay.
Nadyaha Tire Saikatam Pankaha Cha.
Staha.
Correct. Okay. Thank you, Prabha. Okay, next is Shivananji. Jal mein kamal.
Just one thing. In that case, the number 15 also, it shouldn't be Nadyam, right? Nadi ke. Nadyaha.
I was only talking about the 15th one only. Yeah.
Yes, it's not Nadyam, it's Nadyaha.
Both are Nadyaha. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
जल में कमल शोभित हो रहे हैं. जले कमलम शोभित सुंदराणि सन्ति. हो रहे हैं. हो रहे means
You can use Shobheta or something, or Shobhishyati.
Shobhamanyani.
Oh, Shobhamana, right, Shanach. Okay. Shobhamanam.
Or Vikasanti, either one you can.
this is which lakaram? This is not lot also. This
Is Shanach Pratyaya. If we use Shobhamanam, because you said Kamalam, right? Kamalam, Shobhamanam asti. Does that sound right?
This is plural, so.
Oh, rahe hain. So,
yeah.
Kamalani.
Kamalani. Okay. Kamalani.
Shobhamanaha, or how do you translate that?
Shobhamanani.
Shobhamanani.
Is it? What is the Pratipadikam for Shobhaman?
Or we can make
Can't we take as a Shobhante Kriya Pada?
Yes,
Can we
Shobhante.
take like that? Shobhante,
Yes.
because plural Jale Kamalani Shobhante.
Yeah.
Is it Atmanepadi or is it Parasmaipadi? Shobh. To shine, to glow, Shobha. Actually, I'm not seeing, I'm only seeing Shubha as the dhatu for Kriya
Otherwise, we
Pada.
can say,
Oh, we did Jai Pratyaya, no? We did, when did we do? Oh, we did Jai Pratyaya for 40. That was Shobha.
Dhatu may be Shubhama. Shubh will become Shobha.
With Jai Pratyaya. And that will be Napunsaka Linga, and then it will become Shobhaha. If you take Shobha Pratipadikam, sorry, who was trying to speak? Sorry, please go ahead.
No, I think yours was resounding through somebody else's.
Ah, okay, okay. That's why I was hearing myself and not recognizing. Okay. All right. If you take Shobha as the Pratipadikam, which is formed from Shubh Dhatu and Ghai Pratyaya, then the plural will be Shobhaha. But you were talking about Shobha as a, can we get Shobha Kartari Lat Lakara? Okay. Then if you take Kartari Lat Lakara, then you can have Shobhanti. I think that's what you said, Upendraji, right? Shobhanti.
Shobhante is what?
Yes.
So he said Shobhanti.
Yeah, but it is Shobhanti here.
Shobhanti.
At
All
least
right.
Shubha Dhatu Bhavadigana.
Okay.
Correct. But that is not, is that the correct meaning though of Shubha? We have to take which meaning? We have
It
to take the
says
glow to shine.
to speak, to shine, to glow, to speak, to kill. So
Okay. To
that is
shine
there in all three. There are three
Okay.
of them. All three have the.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we can do Shobhanti or we can do Shobhaha. Both are fine. Okay, next, which is the next one? This is in Ga, 17th one. I think it is Anusha's turn. वह पासों से जुआ खेल रहा है.
Ma Upendraji, ma.
He finished, no? Show. Come now.
Okay. वह सह पाश अक्षी शब्द अक्षाः अक्षैः खेल रहा है क्रीडति सह अक्षैः क्रीडति.
So there is a dhatu for
dhatu, जुआ खेलना. If we use like that, divyati, saha akshaihi divyati is also okay, I think.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. I think it came in the Udaharana Vakya also, right? Yes, divyati, akshaihi.
Today I don't have to do. Saha akshaihi divyati, divyatu, adivyat, like that.
Divyati, saha akshaihi divyati.
Divya Nasti is wrong, Omaji?
Then you are using Shatru. There is no Shatru here, no?
No needed. Okay.
तू जुआ खेलता है అంటే త్వం దివ్యసి అంటే సరిపోతుందమ్మా.
దివ్యసి అట్లనే అంతే కాదు. త్వం దివ్యసి. Then the 19th is saha adivyat.
Okay. Adivyat. Adivyat. Okay. Next one. Prabha. Oh, you want to do Anusha? You can do.
मैंने जुआ नहीं खेला अहम अदिव्यम.
Nahi, na has to come.
Sorry. Na adivyam.
Adivyam.
Divya,
Adi.
Divyami, or
No, it's khela in the past.
oh, so then it is aham na
Adivyam.
adivya.
Divyam.
Adivyam, yeah.
Is it Adivyam or Divyat?
No, because it is a me.
Me. Okay. That's why.
Divyam. Aham. Aham adivyam. Na adivyam. Okay. Next one is वह जुआ नहीं खेलेगा. I think Prabha, you want to try that?
There is one before tu jua na khele.
Oh, khel. Khel. That is lot, right?
Lot lakar, right.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Tvam na divya.
Ha.
Tvam na divya.
Na divya. Or na divyatat, na divyatat. Tvam na divya. Okay, next one is Shivanand ji. Vah jua nahi khelega. That's rit lakara. So it's given.
सः न देविष्यति.
Correct. So saha na devishyati. Next one is vah vastra sita hai. Saha vastram sivyati. Is that correct? The Udaharana Vakya is number 6. It's Vastrani Sivyati. Here it's Vastram Sivyati.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah, next one is Upendra ji. मैं
बाण फेंकता हूँ. हम
issue is the word. Issue. Ishum asyati. As is fake.
Okay.
Asya.
Aham ishum. Aham ishum asmi.
No, asyami. I think.
Asyami. Okay. Oh,
Asmi will be, if you say Asmi, it is like Brahmasmi, I am arrow.
Oh, I am issue. I am arrow like that. No. Then aham baanam dhatu.
Issue asyami.
క్షిపామి కూడా చెప్పచ్చమ్మా. క్షిపామి కూడా చెప్పచ్చా?
I guess Shipami can be used as chip dhatu.
But as dhatu is asya. Asyami. Correct.
Let me check chip. To throw, yes. It is chipyami. So half per, then year. Chipyami. If you want to use chip.
It is given as asdhatu.
Asyami.
Asyami, amma. Okay, amma.
Okay.
अर्जुन धनुर्विद्या का अभ्यास करता है. अर्जुनः धनुर्विद्याम् अभ्यसति.
Abhyasyati. We actually have Vaha. So it's Saha or Arjuna. Yes. Sorry, what did you say?
अर्जुनः धनुर्विद्याम् अभ्यस्यति.
Correct. Yeah. Aparna.
Raja Shatrum Nagarat Nirasyati.
Nirasyati is, yeah. Is it Latlakara? Yeah, it must be like Abhyasyati. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next is Prabha. पाप से दुख होता है. Do we do Panchami Papat.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Papat dukkham janayati.
Papat dukkha
Bhavati.
bhavati. There was something associated with sukha and dukkha.
Yes. Yes. A couple of
Jayate,
classes ago. So papat dukkham jayate then.
I'm checking actually.
In 51 name, Amma.
What does it say?
जुगुप्सते विरमति प्रमाद्यति के साथ पंचमी होती है। पापात
के
जुगुप्सते पापात विरमति धर्मात प्रमाद्यति।
So that takes care of the papa part. Papat.
It says dukkham. Is it second dvitiya vibhakti or?
Okay, Amma, this won't fit here. Anyway, I'm wrong. Amma, here papse mane we can simply take Panchami only, no, Amma. Papat dukkham.
So papat, then dukkham bhavati. What do we say? Does that sound right?
Sattayam.
Amma
Bhavati
janayati
jayate.
చెప్పమ్మా.
Yeah.
Janayati.
Then janayati will not go with papat. It won't go with panchami.
Oh.
If you want to say janayati,
Jayate
then
it would. Yeah.
you have to say papam dukkham janayati, something like that. It has to be prathama ekavachanam, right? Papa is the karta, right? If you want to use janayati.
Amma, here this Udbhavati Jayate, when we are using, then Panchami can be used, he is
Yes.
saying, Amma, in
Yes.
rule 53.
Yeah, okay. So papat dukkham jayate, or what was the bhavati?
Bhavati. One question, one thing. Has anybody written in the previous abhyasa? There was the dukkham papani dukkhani cha heyani. That was number 2 of the udaharan vakya.
Yeah, but that is just it is
No,
there.
we said that it came before. I'm just telling you that it came before.
Okay. All right. Next one. Who did the last one? Was it you, Prabha? Okay. Then,
Yeah.
Okay. Then Shivananji. Adharm se bacho. Viram.
Adharmat. Adharmat. Viratu.
Viramati.
Viramatu.
Viramatu. Bacho.
So, adharme, right?
Adharmat. Adharma is which?
Adharme is what vibhakti?
Will be saptami if it's adharm.
Yeah,
Panchami.
it's not saptami here.
Oh, but it should be panchami.
Panchami.
So he said adharmat. It's correct.
Adharmat viramatu.
I have for ram dhatu, I'm assuming it is like V upasarga ram dhatu. Is that a correct?
Yes, Amma.
Yes.
I will
Virama is what I thought.
Viramatam it will be, right? No.
Okay, Viramatam it should be.
But
Okay.
is it
Virama.
Is it Madhyama Purusha?
It is Tvam Virama.
Oh, is it?
That's why.
You take
That's
Karta Tvam.
Then it will
it
be Tvam Viramasva. Let me share this and see if it makes sense.
Do Adams say Bacho? If we take like that, then it will be
Viramasva.
Tvam Virama.
but it could be different.
Oh, is it not Lot Lakara? Is it Lat Lakara? Which one are we taking?
Lot.
Lot
Lot Lakara. So Lot Lakara will be Viramasva. Yes.
Viramaswa then, yeah.
So it's different. Is Viramasi? No, that is Lat. Oh gosh. Viramatat, Virama. That is correct. So whoever said Virama is correct.
Okay.
With the Upasarga, it changes.
No, the Viramatu would have been fine as well if you see the if it was Bhavan.
Oh, if you use Bhavan, yes. If you use Bhavan,
Bhavan. In
then
Bhavan, it will take Pratama.
Virama. It will take Viramatu. If it is a Tvam, then it will be Virama. Okay. All right. So we got that one. Adharma se bacho. Adharmat Virama. Okay. Vaha putra ko paap se. What is that? What is the word we have? It's missing. Something tata hai.
हटाता है
Hatata hai. Okay. Okay. So that I can use nirasyati. Saha putra ko. Putra, how do you write Chaturthi of putra?
पुत्रम
Or we do Dvitiya. Putram, papat,
Yes. Yeah.
nirasyati,
Varayati.
varayati.
Oh, nirasyati.
निवर्तयति also.
Yeah. Either one is okay.
Papat, nivartayati, nirasyati, varayati.
Yeah.
Okay. But it will be putram, Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. All right. Let's go to next one. राम के अतिरिक्त उपेंद्र जी अन्य कोई
के अतिरिक्त अन्य कोई यहाँ आ रहा है? राम के अतिरिक्त रामात अन्यः कोई कश्चित् अत्र यहाँ अत्र आगच्छति. रामात् अन्यः कश्चित् अत्र आगच्छति.
Could it be Ramat Paraha Anya Kopi Atra Agachati? Is that
कोऽपि अत्र आगच्छति, right?
अन्य कोऽपि अत्र आगच्छति. Is it paraha or is it anya?
अन्यः also right?
Is correct, no?
Right or not?
No, I put both because Ram ke Atrikt Anya Koi. So
Oh,
Ramat
I said
Paraha
paraha anyaha kopi.
Paraha Anya Kopi. So Anya Kopi. Anya is aware, is it? Or will it be Anyaha?
Anya kopi sounds right, but we can see. Okay. Ramat anya paraha anya kopi atra agachati. Okay. Next one, Anusha. Bal se buddhi
श्रेष्ठ है. बुद्धिः बलात् श्रेष्ठा. गरीयसी or also भवति?
Gariyasi.
गरीयसी.
So we don't need to use Shrestha because
Okay.
Already.
yes, one is used.
Okay.
Balat, Buddhi, Gariyasi. Okay, next one. Guru के पास से शिष्य आता है.
गुरोः समीपात् शिष्यः आगच्छति.
Samipat.
I was not sure whether it should be Samipam
Yeah.
or Samipam then.
Guroho.
Samipam also
Samipam.
Nirvarasanam.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Guroः समीपं शिष्यः आगच्छति.
ओके नेक्स्ट वन प्रभा. वह धन से धान्य को बदलाता है. सह धनम
सः
बदलता.
धनम्।
परिणाम.
सः धनात् धान्यम्. Is it? Yeah. सः धनात्
ధాన్యానాం ధాన్యం అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి కదమ్మా బహువచనంలో కదమ్మా.
ఎక్కువ ఉంటది అదే. ఉండు కొంచెం ఒక నిమిషం. కంటిన్యూ ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ.
धन से धान्य को बदलता है means giving the money he gets giving the money he gets the dhanyam, right?
No,
Or exchanges.
Converts the but exchanges money for grains or whatever. So he converts money to grains.
So dhanat, is it?
I don't know if it is dhanat. Converting.
Yes, it is dhanat.
Dhan se. Okay.
Saha dhanat. Then dhanyam.
Dhanyam.
Pratiyachati. Exchanging. So I think that's what I thought. Badalta hai is like to barter, right?
Yeah. Or can we use parinama here or no?
Parinama is more like a modification, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Badalna is not. It is
Yeah,
more.
badalna is also modification. Yes.
But
Like
it is,
in this
here
context,
it
it is barter. Yeah.
Correct.
Badalna is modification only, but
so what's the word for barter?
I used instead of
She did pratiyachati. That sounded fine.
Okay, pratiyachati. Okay, let's do the last one and quickly finish. Whose turn is it? I don't remember. चोर राजा से छिप रहा है. चोरः
Raja.
राज्ञ. What is the panchami?
రాజ్ఞః అమ్మా.
राज्ञः.
Gupsate. Jugupsate.
Gupsate.
He said jugupsate.
Jugupsate.
Okay. Jugupsate. Jugupsate is to hide.
అమ్మా నిగూఢః అస్తి అమ్మా.
ఏంటమ్మా మళ్ళీ చెప్పమ్మా.
నిగూఢః.
Yeah, I think so. Gouda is to like hide, no? Gouda. Yeah, Niguda.
So we are going with Niguda. Nigudaha asti.
Nigudayati. Yeah, Nigudaha asti.
Nigudayati. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what chapter. Jugupsate was one that was I did. Let me see. Sorry. Repeat. I can't hear you very well. Gup dhatu. Okay, yeah, I see gup dhatu, and we want Which lat lakara or what?
Lat lakara.
Latlakaram.
Mm, but not Vupo Lakshane, the other one. What is that? To hide is there, Lakshane, but I'm not getting Jugupsa, I think. I'm getting some
Second one.
Sorry.
Second one.
That is protect. Second one, Jugupsate. That is Atmanepati. Okay, let's go with Jugupsate or Nigudaha.
Yep.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thank you all.
धन्यवादः।